Hi friends, this is Bijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll show you a very important topic, that is the mask change in FBL1N. You can apply the same settings in FBL5N as well to do the mask changing of the documents. And this lesson is going to be helpful for you all, as it is very useful in day-to-day transaction. So the end users will be benefited if they watch this video. So I'll request all of you to watch this video carefully till the end of it and to utilize the same knowledge so that it can be beneficial for them. So I'm going to the FBL1N transaction, giving my company code here, and just selecting all items. I'm not giving any specific vendor because I have only few. It is a test system. So in the date, and then I'm just executing. This is my HANA system. Okay, it is the HANA IDs. So I have executed. So this is the uh, total open item I have for the month of November. Okay, so here you can select all, and then you can go to the mask change. This is the mask change button. Okay, but if you don't want all the documents to be changed, then you need not to select all. Okay, so what all you want to change, those you can select and go for the mask change option. Now let me tell you what all you select, and then you go for the mask change option and you apply the change. For all the documents it will be changed. So uh, which all you want to change, you select them only. So say I will change these two documents. Okay, uh, the documents ends with 3440 and 3441. These two let me select. So this is the one and this is another one. Okay, so now I have selected the documents which I want to change, and I'm clicking on the mask change button here. After clicking on the button, see these fields are coming in. So there you can put your own data, and you can click on this execute change so that the document will be changed. Now these fields which all are available here, you can change those only. Means say amount, you never can change an amount. Okay, say tax code, you never can change a tax code. Okay, because those are the if you post a document, you never can change them. Here one point I would like to highlight, uh, the line item level cannot be changed once a document is posted, but you can change the header level. So these fields which all are coming in belongs to the header level of the document. Say text, assignment, these are the header level. Okay, so you can, these are the free options to change whenever you want. So these documents are already posted, but those are open. So these fields are available to change. So you can select, if you want to change any of them, then you can put your own data and you can apply the change. Okay, so now you can mention that I can go to FB02. Even there is a mass transaction also, wherein we can change the already posted documents. That is true, but here in FBL1N you can see the data at a shot. Say I can see the text. Okay, I can see the assignment. Okay, so if I don't like the data which have come up, if I want them to change, I can see them at a shot, and then I can select which all are not correct, and then I can click on the mask button, and then I can apply the change so that all the incorrect data will be changed. So here we have this benefit, we have this option, and mm, uh, it will apply the mask change. So say for an example, the documents which all I have selected, there, see what is the text is this. Okay, uh, say I don't like this. I want something else. So for the testing purpose, let me put something mass change test. Okay, if I put this, then you will later on you will understand that this has got changed. So I have put this, and then I'm clicking on the execute change. Change have been saved. Okay, so but here the change has not come up. You remember the document number 3440 ends with 3441. Okay, uh, the change has not come up. Why? Because it is capturing the old data. So what I have to do is I have to come out, and then again I have to execute. Executing now. uh, Now my document was this is one document ends with 3441, and the other one was 3440. So it will be just the prior. Yeah, so see, I have selected them. These two are the documents. See, the text was mass change text. This is what I had given, okay, as a desired text. So which has come up, that means my mass change is successful. So like this you can do your own mass change. Okay, if you feel that, say for an example, if you feel this text is wrong, or this text is wrong, this text is wrong, you want to put something else, then you can select them, go to the mass change, and you can replace them with your desired text. So that is a example I'm giving text. uh, Apart from that also, whatever free fields are available to change, if you want to change any of them, then you can do. uh, Amongst this, any field can be changed. So depending upon your need, depending upon your requirement, you can go for the mass change. So, and you can apply the same in FBL5N also. Okay, so by this I mean, why we are going to the FBL1N and 5N, because here we can see the report at a shot, and by seeing the report, if we feel that this is wrong or that is wrong, then we can go for the mass change. So it is a very useful feature given in HANA. Okay, it is a very useful feature that can benefit all the end users. Okay, so I hope this much is clear to you. If it is, then please like the video. If you have any query, then please put your query in the comment section of the video. Okay, and if you have liked the video, then please subscribe the channel. This is my channel, so go to the channel, click on the subscribe button. Okay, click on the bell notification. Okay, so that if you can get the notification when any of the videos are uploaded. Okay, and you can connect me also. This is my phone number given. So that's all. We will meet again in some next videos. Till then, keep watching the channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.